In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor control switch on your Ford Mustang located in the heater control unit. I'm going to remove our three knobs here. Just grab those and gently pull them straight out. Put the key in the ignition and we're going to turn the key just to the on, and we want to go ahead and put the vehicle maybe into drive or second. And now we want to go ahead and remove this lower trim panel using our trim tool. Pop out our little lighter button there. On the back side, we have our little lighter outlet. Pop that out, set that aside. And on the bottom side here, I want to go ahead and gently pull this out. Use your trim tool. It's okay if the little vents pop out here, they just snap back into place. I'm going to continue to work our way around. I want to be careful not to crack the trim bezel here. Just push this back into place. There are 4 7mm screws, 2 on each side. Get loosen and remove these. Pop that out. Use a small pick to assist us to go ahead and get that little tab up. On the back side here, there's going to be a 1/4-inch screw. Loosen or remove that. Go ahead and remove that unit. Go ahead and take the unit here, line that up. And get that screw started a little bit by hand. Then we try and zip that down a little bit further. There we go. Grab your ratchet, we're going to snug that down. And once that bottom's out, just give it a little bit more. You just want to have it snug in there, not super tight. Grab that control switch or the connector for the switch, line that up. Go ahead and work this back into the dash. We can install the 4 screws. Gently snug those into place. Do the same for the other 3. On the back side of our trim here, there are metal spring clips that pop into the holes here around the perimeter. So I just want to go ahead and line this up and press these in. Once you have that in place, you can go ahead and take your louvers here, and they just pop into these little shafts on either side. Gently push those in. Install the wiring harness for the lighter outlet. Install your lighter and install the knobs. Now the knobs have a flat section on them to line up with the shaft. Just press that on. Make sure those are all secured. Now that you have the knobs in place, go ahead and put the car back in park and go ahead and turn your key to the off position. Once you're all done with that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.